Hello po, congratulations po. For Aubrey and Troy, was there ever a time na nagkakaroon kayo ng disagreement when it comes to skincare routines na nangingialam kayo sa isa't isa, and how did you influence each other to, kumbaga, do the things that you do na sana gawin din niya?
I'll go first.
Ganun nakikita ko lagi.
I would say there's not a disagreement. If there is, it's a one-way disagreement. Kasi ako, for me, I'm a guy, I come from the old school na one shampoo, one bar of soap, ganun. For everything. So, and then I would watch her, syempre we would share a bathroom or kahit ano, na we get ready. So, parang watching her skincare and then seeing the effect. And I was like, wow, you know, your skin is really nice. Tapos, looking what she does, and it's not a lot, it's just what she does. It's just the routine. So, I was curious, tapos she would say, no, you have to try this. That's how it all started, is her good influence, sharing yung skin regimen with me. So, hindi siya like away or anything. She was always saying that you have to try this, you have to try this. So I've actually tried all the products here actually, kasi that's how we all started. I'm like her guinea pig somehow. So she would say, you have to try this, you have to try this. And then she would actually apply it, put it on for me. And then later, wow, it's really nice, feels good. And then she would have to order double because I would start stealing off her skincare. So that's kind of how it all started. So walang away, I just trust what she tells me.
Yes, kasi sabi ko, magpa-botox ka na, ayaw naman niya. So, ano mag-skincare ka, talagang kinukulit ko siya lahat ata, pinatry ko na sa kanya. Sunscreen, very important. Sa kanya, ako na mismo naglalagay lahat talaga. And happy naman ako na naniniwala siya sa mga skincare na ano ko. And you know, you're so happy naman, di ba? So, lahat na, wala din na kami, hindi naman kami nagka-argument ng skincare. Pero minsan talaga, pinipilit ko pa, kayo kanina, mag-mask ka na. Pero kanina lang makeup artist, nag-mask ka na. So, ako talaga yung nagpo-push. And there's nothing wrong with that, I think. And kung may push nyo lalo, you know, nothing negative. It's all about you care about it.
I think na one time na may away na kasi I took one of your,
Yes.
diba? And then when she asked me, have you seen my ganito? And I said, no, I didn't use it. And then I think you looked at my bag, it's there. Mikey Kaya. So I was like, oh, how did that get there? So yun lang, that's it.
And kay Miss Ana naman, kalalabas lang nung video ng yung sa life story mo, ano yung mga comments na natatanggap mo after malabas yung video na yun?
Natutuwa nga ako dun sa mga comment na na-inspire talaga sila. So parang isa yun, yung video na yun, yung pinaghuhugutan nila ngayon ng lakas. Kasi alam naman natin, everyday lahat naman tayo, may kanya-kanya tayong mga problema, depende sa bigat, diba? So hindi lang lahat kasi may ganong coping mechanism or kung paano nila susolusyonan, kung paano nila may ganun kung paano tayo magre-react sa mga bagay, sa problema natin. May mga taong mahina ang loob, diba? May mga taong, sige, kaya yan, kaya laban lang. Pero para din sa mga tao na patuloy na lumalaban, ayun, nahahappy ako na isa yon sa nagiging inspirasyon sa kanila para magpatuloy pa sa buhay.
And speaking of inspiration, for Aubrey and Troy din, do you think na yung mga post nyo na active kayo, happy couple kayo, gaano yun ka-importante na nakaka-inspire kayo ng audience, hindi lang ng fans mismo, yung mga followers nyo and even non-followers?
Sa akin, nag-start akong mag-post ng workout ko. Hindi pa ganun kauso yung Instagram. I just wanted there para nare-review ko siya. And then eventually, ang dami ng single mom or mga family mom na nagbe-message, oh, paano mo ginawa to? And then I still talk, I give them advice. So I'm happy na na-appreciate ng mga moms yun. And hindi sila yung grabe naman, maka-workout ka or grabe naman yung outfit mo, hindi negative. So happy ako nung time na yun. Until now, may mga actually mas bata pa, mga 20s, na hindi nila alam na artista ako before. Feeling lang nila, I'm a mom and I'm into fitness. Oh, ibang generation naman. Sabi na, oh, you inspire me, ganyan. Kala lang niya talaga, nagpo-post lang ako ng mga fitness. Oo, so happy ako na hindi naman na-target, pero na-hit ko yung gano'n, yung time na ganito yung mga moms and then yung generation now. Fitness will never go out of style for me. Fitness and health and wellness will always stay forever. Until kahit tumanda na tayo, mayroong magbago, may bago na fitness. Ako, I will stay because I'm happy with it. And with the help of Anna, with the help of Lux Skin, Lux Slim, sa akin, I don't mind a little bit of help kung sa food, fitness, a little bit of supplements here and there. Happy ako. So, para ma-maintain ko yung inside and out.
Right.
For me, I think also I started fitness because of sports. Back when I was in school na talaga, all doing sports, training for sports. It just so turned out na one day na they offered me like, hey, you should try fitness modeling because you're in shape, blah blah blah. So that's kind of how I even got into showbiz. I started as a model, fitness model. Tapos from there na it, progressed to other things. So I think ako, for me, still when people ask me or even send me my DM, I'm new, I'm this old, but I've never workout, I've never tried to work out. What can I do? How do I start? Ganito. I still get very, parang feeling inspired also by someone asking me those kind of questions na, wow, I can share na, okay, all you have to do is, this is how I started, or this might work for you. I think